So it's 68 grams, that cable, see? So we said about 65 grams, so we're about right. Cup of tea. I'll pin the ribbon cable off and don't do what I just did there. Which is basically damage the ribbon cable. See, they break a little bit off. Got to be careful, more careful than I was there. But still hold it, just got to be careful. I'll put glue it back away for a sec. Right, there we go. So you can see now. Glued it back on. I'm not going to put it inside yet because it will stick. That will be a problem, so don't be as savage as that. RGB, out you can. RGB. Like I say, if you want to know the exact weights, just go back to the teardown. Show you them all individually. That's all we can get out of there. The buttons are riveted for the top. These two are riveted. These panels are riveted. You can see the top plate was riveted. Riveted there, so you can't take them out. We're going to have to ping them out. They won't go back in. On the base, we can get the label off. So you're going to struggle to get a lot of weight out of this early on. And then we have the LED, the deeper eye. Everything else is fixed, don't have to take any weight from that. We can pull off the RGB for the scroll wheel, it's not screwed on or anything. So you can't get out the diffusers. That's it. That's all you can get out of this puppy. Right, don't break that again. Okay, so we don't want any screws in the bottom because you don't need them. The clips are substantial enough on this one. If you don't like it, you can always put them in if you wish. We're not going to though. go. All the buttons work, good. So weighed 68.5, was it? Somewhere around there. So we said about 65 grams, so we're about right. Get 5 grams out of it, which doesn't seem much, but we're getting close to 60. You're going to have to do more mods than that. Probably get down to 60 grams this mouse if you do some of the mods like trimming out stuff on the plastic and things, but that's the only way you're going to get it down that low. Ping off the side buttons maybe, if you didn't care about them. Ping one rear one off actually, in case you just want the trigger and you don't want to put a blanking plate on it, which you could have. That's 64 grams. If you didn't mind not having, didn't mind having a few holes on the sides. 60s, close 63.